Yesterday, Google launched the big AI market update. Gemini 3.5 Flash LLM model beat all agentic AI models such as Cloud Opus, public for everyone and it's completely free. They introduced Gemini Omni, beat all AI videos models such as new features introduced. Google Antigravity 2.0 agentic AI IDE launch. Gemini Spark personal AI agent, such as more incredible features. In this video, we all 9 updates capture out in the tab. Must watch that video till the end. If I miss any features, comment down below. Let's get started the video. Google introduced several major AI-driven updates. So first of all, we will discuss about Gemini 3.5 Flash LLM model in the tab. So first of all, that is about I write here the latest frontier model optimized for massive speed, efficiency, and agentic coding tasks that can perform. It 4 times faster than the previous 3.1 Pro models and offer a significant jump in the real world, like that can beat some scenario in the Opus models in the agentic task and economic value task. Launch available globally now. Access product and APIs. Free tier available now in the free plan. So let's check that out. So first of all, that is my Anytone account. I checked that my APIs in the Gemini API, and here you see that is 3.5 Flash model is public now, and you can run that out also. So let's check that out. So answer is hello, how can I help you? 3.5 Flash model is free tier is available. Also, Gemini introduced the 3.5 Flash models in globally, like their own apps like Google, like 3.5 Flash in the Google Gemini app, and also they introduce and public also AI Studio also Google introduced like 3.1 Lite and all the models and agents like 3.5 Flash pricings. That is 3.5 Flash, and that is be the pricing of that models. That is be the benchmark of the 3.5 Flash models. You see that beat it all the Opus 4.7 and XYZ in the future of the gap. Like that is not official benchmark list, but the some resources I get that I get that benchmark list. So what is the API costing for the 3.5 Flash models? So first of all, free tier for the free charges, and if you pay tier, so you need to pay the input price per million token like 1.5, and output per million tier is per million tokens like $9. For the caching pricing is 0.1 and external $1 for the 1 million tokens per hour storage. And grounding for with Google search, grounding with Google Maps, not available for free tier, but also available with the paid tier and per million token in USDT cost that you pay external like 1 million token in the external payment. So that is our, and here's be the introduce. So first of all, we completed that 3.5 Flash LLM models. So second one is introduced about the Ask the YouTube. So second big update is the YouTube, and you can search about on the Ask. You see that is you can use also that feature, but in this month ago, Google introduced here any kind of button. You just enter the name of source you need any kind of video that YouTube analyze, and they send you video and with the time steps according with your need. So let's read that. An AI-powered search experience for YouTube that provides summaries and tips and jumps to relevant video time steps, and launch testing on broad US rollout this summer. Pricing generally accessible free. Like that testing out in the US market, that is not public for now at that time for the others countries. So the second big updates is the Doc Live introduced in the IO updates 2026. That is the Docs Live basically. You see here, but you need a upgrade version like Pro, yeah, XYZ more versions like Google AI Plus, yeah, Google AI Pro, yeah, Google AI Ultra, that available for here. Like you see that doc, and you see the docs and that feature available for the AI Pro, AI Ultra. That's just, and you just go to the here and ask them, hey, I need that document. Can you build it? Can you enhance more with like Homonizer? Can you build that doc with external features, writing, styling, and XYZ? That Gemini can make your documents also. That is be the third our task. Rolling out a Pro and Ultra subscriber this summer. Paid Pro Ultra subscriber just. The fourth our future like IO updates, Gemini Omni. Gemini Omni is a video editor. So let's check that out. So that is be the Google Omni. That is be the link I will mention in the description, all the links. Here you can read that documents, all the pages. Here create a Gemini Omni and try with Gemini and try with a Google Flow. You can use the Gemini Omni video models in the two official website, like try it in Gemini, like such as like Flow, Google Flow, and that is. But you need upgrade version like AI Ultra versions. You need, yeah, AI Pro versions you need, and that is the try in Gemini. You can also use, but in this time the Gemini that is not available, but sometime there be available like. Yeah, like here is the video is available, like video, go to here like 3.1, 3.1 flash and VO2, and that is be the here you see that Gemini Omni models, but in this time that is not available for at that now. So our fifth biggest update is Google Antigravity 2.0. It's an agentic development platform building software agentic workflows available globally at that time now, and free and development platform also. So you just go to here and 2.0 and download the versions, and you see that that is be the dashboard, and that is be the dashboard, and you run that locally. It's if you use previous like cloud such as app, so that is be the complete similar for looked at. You can use here 3.5 flash model also, MCPs and XYZ database connect for the agentic task performing. So you see that you can also integrate. But the Gemini Omni pricing, in the previous I mentioned that Gemini Omni pricing like $1.2 per generations if you use one HD video resolution. If you use a 4K resolutions, like you need to pay them for 8-second video like $1.8 per generations. For the image URLs you just need, and that is with the video input, and you generate. You see that that is be the lightings, and that is be the video of the footage that persons, and you see that that is be the little stars that moving around that video. So our the sixth, Gemini Spark. Gemini Spark is a personal AI agent that performs background tasks like drafting emails on scheduling 24/7, launching trusted. Today is not available in any kind of region. It's just available in the US region. So if you use a VPN, you just go to here and check that out. So let's get started on the, let's test it out. So go to the here, you see that there is with the Gemini. Spark is available for the agentic task. I ask him, hey, create a doc for Elon Musk in 100 words. I ask him that can perform because I am using a VPN, such as VPN that is running, and that can make and connect that workspace, and after that make my Elon Musk document. I ask him, hey, can you send that emails? Like I go to here, like nadir habib159 @gmail.com. Like Gmail, send email on here like nadirhabib159 @gmail.com. Send message like what is you are doing today, what is you doing today. So that is connected, that is, but that is not working in other kind of countries. You need me to VPN. So you see that I ask him again. So first of all I check that my VPN is working. So working. Alright, I have created this. Do you want to send it now? Yes, I want to send it now. So let's see that I just click that button send, and so you see that that is with the Baitullah repairing come email. What is you doing today? So that is working the agentic task automations in US version, in US countries also just. So our Google Gemini Spark is done. Use a VPN and run that out also, but that is not official. That is the beta version. In this summer, they introduced Google Spark officially for the Pro Ultra plan, like Google AI Ultra plan, not for Pro, not for AI Plus. It's just for the Google AI Ultra plan. Just so we go to the sixth our future like generative UI search. So go to here, generative Gemini Spark. We discuss about Gemini Spark also. So now we discuss about generative UI LLMs. So that will be the design for the mobiles app designer, and actually if you need UI design, so you can use a generative UI. That's link also I mentioned the value. You can also watch that. Universal card. Universal card is basically you need you just ask them, hey Gemini, I need that products, can you find that products and pay that bill. So Gemini find that relevant kind of products from you like Amazon, like XYZ, and they send you the in the universal card, that is the chat bot. They send in the chat box like they send the complete information about your personal products, and products about that is the price do you want to pay him. You just ask them, hey, I need to pay them. You just your card is dynamically connected, and that automatically fetch your payments and XYZ. So that is be very useful for the new AI models era. So the 8-hour updates like intelligent eyewear. Google launched in this I/O updates the intelligent eyewear, hand-free AI glasses that connects your phone and navigate the assistants. Launch audio glasses arrive this fall. Paid hardware purchase. You need to purchase them. Like that is Warby Parker, and there will be two glasses like Gentle Monster, and that designed by the Google and Samsung. And the second is Warby Parker, that is Google and Samsung both introduces. So our D9 update is everywhere is come here like Ask Gemini. You see that there is the navigate button in the end. You ask them here, hey, I need to fetch the detailed XYZ information. That works like a chatbot and they help your many tasks. So that is be the 9 updates Google introduced. If you love that video, you comment down. If I miss any updates, you also mention them also.